This video demonstrates how to debug a project using RX671 device in E-Square Studio. Connect E2 Lite emulator to the target board and the computer. Click on the project to set focus. Select Run, Debug Configurations, to open the Debug Configuration window. In Debug Configuration window, select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging. Then click on the existing debug configuration, for example, Example 1 Hardware Debug. If error message appear, please build the project before setting debug configuration. Click the Debugger tab, set E2 Lite, RX, as the debug hardware, and R5F5671E as the target device. Under the Debugger tab, go to the Connection Settings sub-tab. Set main clock source as HOCO. Connection type, select Fine. Power target from the emulator, max 200 mA, select Yes. Click Apply button to confirm the settings. User can proceed to debugger immediately, by clicking Debug button, or click Close to exit Debug Configurations window, and launch debugger from main workspace window later. To launch debugger, select the debug target in the launch bar. Click Debug button, the debug perspective will be opened. If program stops at power on reset PC, click Resume button to continue running. Click Resume again, if program stops at main function. At the bottom left corner, the program status running indicates program is running. Click on the Suspend button to break at current program counter. The program status is changed to suspended. To add breakpoint, double-click on the blue marker bar, which has address. An icon will appear next to the line number, when breakpoint is added successfully. To view global variable, click on Expressions tab. Drag and drop the variable to the expression window. If the view is not shown, select Window, Show View, Others, and select Expressions View, under Debug category. Real-time refresh option can be selected from the right-click menu. To reset and start debugging from beginning, click on Restart button. To stop debugging, click the Terminate button. The debugger is disconnected and debugging is terminated.